could have been our intro.
Yeah. We just landed, well, about an hour ago. Picked up our car, started driving south, and now we have In-N-Out, which we were surprised because we didn't know that they had In-N-Out in Utah.
Pickles. Did yours come with pickles?
No. No.
Wait, is that like animal style?
Maybe.
Pickles. I do like pickles though, so.
Yeah, pickles are good. So, we forgot to say this, but we are headed like south 3.5 hours.
Southeast.
3.5 hours to Moab, Utah. So, that's where we're going. So after that 4-hour drive that we had, we made it back to our hotel. Took us a little while to find our hotel room, but they upgraded our room to 3 beds.
Yes.
So that's cool. Now we're gonna go get food. So we'll see you there.
Are we gonna vlog though?
Good night, you guys.
Good night.
So we just woke up. It's 5 a.m. Heading to Arches. It's like 10 degrees out. So we just got to the parking lot. There is one other car here, and we have seen no one else the entire drive. So we're gonna go ahead and hit the trail. Bless you. We are on the trail, and it is completely silent, which is kind of crazy because, like you were saying, in California, you're never alone. So this is a little eerie. My mind keeps playing tricks on me. Yeah. How you feeling, Michaela?
I'm good.
We just climbed down basically the side of that, so jeez. So update, it's 7 degrees, but we made it. We made it. We ended up on that side. We basically had to climb down that cliff and walk around this steep part when the path is really right there. We're hiking back and we can finally see what we were hiking through this morning.
Yeah.
We made it back to the car, so I think we're gonna go to the hotel and get some food. We just took a nap, energized again, and so now we are, well, we're taking some pictures of that sign in the back, and now we are gonna go and get some souvenirs for our family and all that stuff, and walk around downtown area. So yeah,
Main Street.
Main Street.
Right now we're on our way to Dead Hollows Point State Park.
So we're just here. We're at Dead Horse. Dead Horse. We're just waiting for the drone. Don't be a dead horse. Stop. We're just waiting for the drone to calibrate. So now we're having a dance party. So today we're going to Canyonlands National Park and then heading back to the city so that we can hit some hot springs and be a little bit closer to Salt Lake before our flight out tomorrow. So I think it's about an hour drive to Canyonlands. We'll see when we get there. So we just got done filming and taking pictures and stuff at Mesa Arch in Canyonlands. Now we're gonna drive back to the hotel, get some breakfast and check out, and head back towards Salt Lake and check into our hotel for the night and then hit the hot springs. Long day ahead. As you can see, it's very, very cold. So we just checked into the hotel, and now we are heading to the hot springs, which takes about 40 minutes to get there.
Check out this view. Hold on.
Yeah, look at this. So we just arrived at the hot springs. There's about 6 or 7 cars. It is snowy out. But yeah, so the hot springs, it's gonna be it's kind of a long hike because the road's closed, so we have to make up that. We're gonna put some extra clothes on, layer up, and get going. So we found some we arrived at the lower springs, and we were gonna go to the top ones, but we can see people up there. So we're gonna hang out down here for a bit until some people leave. Look at that. So we just got out of the hot springs, got dressed, put on actual snow pants because it's getting cold. Peyton and Michaela are getting ready. Got me some munchies. I think we're gonna hike up and see the upper falls and then head on back. Wow. After 4 hours and over 7 miles, we made it. Finally back to the car. Whew. gas in it, and then heading to the airport and leaving Utah. Sadly. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and hopefully you saw a few things that you could add to your guys' travel list and stuff. If you have any questions about anything, any places that we stayed or anything like that, you know, you could just message me or comment, and I'll let you know.